We are looking for this family. Their husband and father is looking for them. He's somewhere in Europe, and our tracing service is doing this job. Different stories, but usually they are very sad stories. Sad stories about children, wives, husbands, families. They lost each other. They have lost each other on the road, on borders, trying to reach the Europe.
Have you been part of reuniting families?
Yes. I did it yesterday. There's one woman in hospital. She had a car accident in Serbia, and yesterday she spoke with her sister in Switzerland.
How was that?
She was very glad and very happy. It's feeling nice to help the people. I feel very, very well, so my colleague too, and the other colleagues in our organization. We are doing our best.